everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guide you through how to change the message sound in the Signal application using your mobile device. If you want to personalize your chat notifications and never miss an important message, here is how you can easily change the message sound. Launch the Signal app open on your Android or iOS and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the chat screen, go to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. Now click on Settings in the pop-up. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Under Notification, tap on Message Sound. Now select a different message sound from the available list, depending upon your device's operating system. Select a message sound and tap on Set at the top right. And that's how you can easily pick your preferred message sound on Signal app. Once selected, simply back out of this menu and get to the home screen or the chat screen. This will save your choice automatically, and now you have a customized message sound on Signal that suits your style. Personalizing your notification sound helps you stay alert and enjoy a more tailored chat experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.